can't tell you I'm too excited to get in the water. People are like, oh yeah, you must love to go swimming. I'm like, yeah, I do, but it's no doubt the water is chilly. Good morning from Marquette, Michigan, January 21st. Weather conditions right now. Part of me does not believe this, but it says 34. If you can get a good focus on that, read it. Any type of day where the sun can warm your body up, pre, post, and during swim makes the swim much more bearable. Here, I got my towel ready to go. I got my mat that I stand on after, my shoes that are easy to get on and get off. CROCS are probably the most overlooked and versatile shoe for cold water swimming in these conditions. Easy to get on. You don't care if they get dirty. Sand can get in and out of them. Yeah, they got it going on. Good morning again. Twice in a day. She's probably thinking I'm crazy. But I'm going in. What I failed to mention here in this video I was just shooting was the fact that it's going to be very problematic getting into the water and out because of the ice shelving. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes.